Hello friends, my new video on differential calculus is substitution method or प्रतिस्थापन विधि. Substitution method in differential calculus, if fx is a function, then differentiate with respect to x and we get dfx by dx, and derivative of fx df by dx equal to df by dt into dt by dx, where it is a chain rule. If fx is a function, then differentiate with respect to x and we get df by dx and df by dx to df by dt into dt by dx. There some example on based on substitution method प्रतिस्थापन विधि. If a function y equal to e raised to power 5x, then differentiate this function with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d dx into function e raised to power 5x. Put 5x equal to t, then x equal to 1 by 5 into t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x, dx equal to 1 by 5 dt, hence dx by dt equal to 1 by 5 or dt by dx equal to 5. Become on question dy by dx equal to d by dx e power t. Put t equal to 5x. We get differentiate d power t upon dx, e raised to power t is e raised to power t into dt by dx. dt by dx की वैल्यू यहाँ से पुट करेंगे, dt by dx इक्वल टू 5, देन 5 e पावर रेस टू t, t इज इक्वल टू 5x, तो 5 e रेस टू पावर 5x. We get final differentiate dy by dx equal to 5 e raised to power 5x. We find to another method y equal to e raised to power 5x, then differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to e raised to power x, differentiate is equal to e raised to power x, and differentiate this function 5x. 5 is a constant, is outside dy dx. 5 e raised to power 5x into d dx of x. d dx of x equal to 1, hence we get answer 5 e raised to power 5x into 1 equal to 5 e raised to power 5x. We get final answer dy by dx equal to 5 e raised to power 5x and dy by dx equal to 5 e raised to power 5x. Both are same question, but method are alag. A direct method, we are substitute method. We get another example to this substitution method. Function y equal to sin log ex. We get differentiate with respect to x on both sides. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx sin log x base e. We put log ex equal to t. We get differentiate both sides on this. Log x differentiate with respect to x, get 1 by x into dx equal to dt. 1 by x equal to dt by dx. Become on question log x equal to t. We get this function convert into sin t. d by dx of sin t, d by dx equal to sin x of cos x, but this function is t and यहाँ t, cos t dt by dx. We put the value of dt by dx, come to this cos t dt by dx equal to 1 by x. We put here cos t, value of t put here log e x cos log e x और 1 upon x इक्वल टू अपॉन x, तो dy बाई डी एक्स इक्वल टू cos log x base e upon x. We get this function directly y equal to sin log e x. We get dy by dx इक्वल टू साइन का डिफ्रेंशिएट cos x, x मतलब log x, then dy by dx of this function log e x. We get cos log e base x d by dx of log x into 1 by x. Then finally cos log ex upon x. We get same answer, but these are substitution method. These are direct method. We get another example of this method. Function is y equal to e raised to power under root sin x. Then dy by dx equal to dy dx function e raised to power under root sin x. We put under root sin x equal to t. Differentiate this part with respect to x on both sides. Differentiate of 1 under root x equal to 1 upon 2 under root x, 1 by 2 under root sin x, d by dx this function sin x into dt, 1 upon 2 under root sin x d by dx sin x equal to cos x dx equal to dt. But we find the value of dt by dx equal to cos x upon 2 under root sin x. Common question, dy by dx under root sin x equal to t. We get here to here e raised to power t. E raised to power t dt by dx, e raised to power t, e raised to power t dt by dx value common this to this, dt by dx cos x upon 2 under root sin x. E raised to power t equal to cos x to under root sin x. We put the value of t is equal to sin x from here to here. Another example, y equal to log tan x. dy by dx equal to dy dx log tan x base e. We put here tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. We get tan x differentiation sec square x into dt by dx. With this apply this formula dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx to this dy by dx log t, tan x equal to t log t. We get differentiate 1 by t into dt by dx, 1 by t dt by dx value here put sec square x and 1 by t sec square x. Sec square x value of t is equal to tan x, hence dy by dx 1 upon tan x equal to cot x into sec square x. We get another example of substitution method, y equal to tan e raised to power x. We put e raised to power x equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x and get e raised to power x equal to dt by dx. Differentiation of e raised to power x equal to e raised to power x. Common question, dy by dx is equal to tan e raised to power x equal to t, tan t. Differentiate tan t equal to sec square t with respect to dt by dx. Sec square t value of dt by dx put in this to this e raised to power x, and e raised to power x into sec square value of t is e raised to power x. Hence final answer dy by dx equal to e raised to power x into sec square e raised to power x.